How to create shop on Facebook page step-by-step guide. First thing you want to do is create a Facebook business page. Log into Facebook, click on the create button on the top right, select page and choose the shopping theme. Then fill out your business details including profile and cover photos. Then add a shop section. On your business page, click shop tab on the left, select create shop and follow the prompts to set up basic shop details. Then choose a checkout method. Decide how customers will check out via your website, messaging, or directly on Facebook. Then set up your business account, connect or create a business manager account to manage your shop and ads. Then create a product catalog, add product one by one, or upload a CSV file. Ensure each product has a name, description, price, and image. Then configure shipping and payments. Set up shipping options and payment methods like PayPal or Stripe. Then customize your shop. Personalize your shop with brand colors and featured collections to enhance customer experience. Then submit for review. Review all details and submit your shop for Facebook's approval. Subscribe